What's up everyone, my name is John and welcome to my channel, John's Take on Random. I have taught the youngest learners up to senior level learners. And what I mean by senior is not high school senior, but senior old senior. So this next product is a bit special to me because as a teacher, I know that I am also a learner. And this next product helps me a ton when it comes to learning. Especially in my case, I'm an expat living here in a different country where I need to learn their language here, which is Mandarin Chinese. So this next tool is a really helpful device that helps me get through a lot of that learning curves. In this day and age, having a second or third language that you can speak fluently will give you an edge. Today, we are delving into Netease Youdao P5, a tool that promises to elevate your learning game. But before we embark on this educational adventure, let's rewind for a bit and take a look at this company's journey. Netease might sound familiar to you because it does. They have been a tech titan since 1997 and a trailblazer in the digital realms. From gaming innovations and AI breakthroughs, they have now ventured into the realm of education and entertainment. The Youdao P5 is not just a device, but it promises to be a companion in our quest for knowledge. Does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. Let's talk about the pros first. First impressions matter. And the Youdao P5 makes a statement with its sleek design. It is not just a tool, that's for sure. It's an aesthetic addition to your study arsenal. Education shouldn't break the bank, and the P5 gets it. It's a budget-friendly gadget, offering smart features without emptying your wallets. So as I have mentioned earlier, in a world that is more interconnected than ever, the P5 shines with its multilingual capabilities. It's like having a personal language coach in your pocket. Taking note is an art, and the P5 is the Picasso of note-taking. It seamlessly captures and organizes your idea, ensuring no brilliant thought is lost. Another function that I like the most with this one is its AI translation.
Hello.
下午好.
With just one press of a button and it's ready to translate whatever language you're speaking into any desired language that you wanted to translate. Which I think is really useful if you are an expat like me and you still don't have the full grasp of the language, the local language, then this is a really helpful tool. It helps you bridge the gap with the locals. So if you happen to be in China and you are tired of ting-budonging your way in China in all kinds of dealing with the locals, then this tool is really important, I think, that you should have. Now let's talk about some cons, and there's quite a few. For one is this device right here. As you see, I like the design, but I am an adult. But if you're gonna buy this for a child, then it's not really child-friendly design. And another thing that I pretty much have a problem with it is its way of using, especially with the translation of text. It has to be perfectly angled in order for it to work. So if you brush the device in an off angle or you did it really fast, then it won't pick up the text really easily. But the more you use it, the more you get a hang of it, and then eventually this won't really matter that much. Another gripe I have with this device is that it could not read handwritten text. There are tons of functionalities that I have no time to mention in this video, but it has a lot of books inside. It can download apps to reinforce your learning. Here are my final thoughts on Netease Youdao P5. If you like traveling and you like meeting new people and also speak their language and read them, then this device is a really good companion and a really good purchase because it is really cheap, high quality. It's not bulky, it is good design. It could fit right into your pocket. And another thing is that this thing is now available in Amazon or Shopee. You can check the description down below. And finally, if this style of exploration into the tech world intrigues you, then you can consider liking, subscribing, and turning on that bell icon. And that would help me greatly in trying to build this community of like-minded individuals that are interested in China and its culture and products that are made here. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and this is John's Take signing off.